Now, BoxyCharm is a monthly is that Kathleen Lights here on YouTube. She here BoxyCharm. Yo. Thank you. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Alshu's View. So today it's gonna be our monthly BoxyCharm unboxing. Its theme is boxy and chill. Now, I already took a sneak peek at all of the stuff already, and I really like this box. Now, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box for $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products in your BoxyCharm. The retail value of all of this ends up being over $100 every single month. My previous one, I had gotten a PYT mini styler. You can click the link up here. This is the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray 2-ounce bottle. Retails for $12. It effectively restores your hair's softness, manageability, moisture shine with Briogio's Rosarco Milk Spray. It has ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan oil, and coconut oil. You can use this to detangle your hair or use it as a protectant when you blow dry your hair. I'm gonna spray some. It smells good. I think I put some more on my friggin'... Okay. I've used this actually a couple times even before I'm actually making this video. Here on YouTube, she's the one who actually curated this box. She asked them to put in a couple of these products. Now, Tatcha, so expensive, but it's so worthwhile. And these are Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. It's a 2-pack. So you can nourish your skin with the rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and botanical oils and extracts. There's 20 ml of skin quenching serum, and it leaves your skin with a constant luminous glow. Here's what the inside looks like. It has a milky consistency. I'm pretty sure this is going to be completely drenched. There's some liquid in there too. It's dripping on the floor. Ay Dios míos. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, this is completely soaked. This smells really good. But I'm going to put it on my face. Let's go. 15 minutes. Can you see it? 15 minutes. Right, 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's up. I'm gonna rub in the remaining with the clean hands, of course. You know what I did this other day? So you see my second hole over here? Yeah, well, I noticed the other day when I was getting ready for the day that my second hole had gone, and I use surgical steel over here. I use surgical steel because it won't give me a reaction. Like, I can only wear real jewelry, like, or surgical steel. I realized when I was going into work that this hole had no earring, and then I was trying to put in an earring that I had seen. I realized that it was closed now. And I was like, I don't know when the hell this even fell out, because I didn't even realize it until I was like looking in the mirror and I was going, oh my God. And then, so then when I came back from work, because I get so annoyed that I was like, you know, I love this type of piercing, so I legit took a safety pin, I sanitized it, and I poked a hole right through it all over again, because I was like, I'm not trying to go and spend 30 bucks on an earring and 25 dollars to buy the earring to make sure that I have this hole pierced. So I just redid it myself. Yes, it did hurt, but I survived. And I put in this piercing, which is like a gold heart. And it still kind of hurts a little bit, but you know, cartilage piercings always take forever to actually, you know, dry up. But is the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea volume 3. This retails for $36. Pretty. And for me, I'm kind of lucky because it comes with a great mirror and it comes with these metallic type shades. So you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 metallic shades and 1 other shade. So I'm pretty excited about that. That one. To make my transition shade. Which, look at it, it comes out a mauve type color. Which I'm surprised because it looks more tannish. It's pretty cool. But I'm pretty excited about this because I always like metallic shades. They are my favorite. Always been my favorite, or like a cream shadow base or whatever. Not so much, I don't really like cream because I feel like it creases my eyelids a lot. But it just depends on what type of base you use. Like, since I'm just at home today, I don't really care if my makeup actually creases because ain't nobody gonna see it in the first place. But I really wanted to do this review, but it looks pretty cool, the fact that it came out a mauve color. Then my Alamar collection that we got in Boxy as well, and it's like a packing brush, so I'm gonna use, what does it say? Escape to put that on my eyelids. Pack it on. I'm gonna put it in the middle. I've seen a couple of videos where people have said that they hated the fact that it was like these cream base shadows because it's not, you know, their whole thing is matte. But my thing is, I don't really care for matte all that much. I just care that it stands out, basically. Tarte palette is actually, you know, you can carry it with you. It's sturdy. It has a huge mirror. It's very clear. You can pack it in one of your makeup bags. I have even a makeup bag that I have a little bit of everything. I have my like Stila Cosmetic glitter. I have Urban Decay setting powder. Not powder. Urban Decay setting spray. Now I'm going to use the other side of the Alamar brush, and I'm going to use what is this color? Treasure. This one over here. And I'm gonna put that over here to kind of brighten it up a little bit more. MAC Fix Plus. Oh, look how bright it is. Go back to my Morphe brush and get that tiki color again, just to blend in the top. That mauve color kind of goes with my shirt. Like if you really look close. Do my eyebrows, y'all. It's been a couple weeks. Malibu over here. And I am using Morphe M518, and I'm just gonna buff it in here. Just a thousands, and we'll grow in number. Treasure to put it. Ooh. Lux Long eye pencil. It retails for $19. It's a mechanical eye pencil. Last but not least, Oprah! This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It's a matte It's a matte liquid lipstick that delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. It has a stunning pigment with minimal transfer and it's comfortable wear. It has vitamin A and antioxidants, and your lips will look and feel healthy all day. That is $20. Okay. Also super excited for this because finally I got a darker color. I've been getting nudes a lot more so in these BoxyCharm things, and for my complexion sometimes it makes me look like I have concealer lips, or sometimes it's just right, like, you know, but I really wanted a darker color, so I was super hyped about the fact that I got Havana Nights, and I think this is a collab that Kathleen Lights also did too. First of all, I wanted to swatch all of these colors for you. This is Escape, Tiki, Heat Wave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, Jewel, Treasure, Escape. You know that's how much this month's box value was. You know, BoxyCharm is such a great value for $21 a month. You get so many great products, and now I have like a whole box that's kind of overflowing with makeup, but I love that because I love makeup, and I love that I can get products and not have to spend over $150. If I go to Sephora and I get 4 products, one of them would range $18, another one would range $30, another probably $25, another $45. Like, that already adds up to more than $100. So I just love getting these products and trying out things like this. So it's like great that, you know, Kathleen Lights even contributed to wanting to curate a box and putting something this expensive. And these products, if you check it out, there's so many expensive products. Come back for more. I'm probably gonna do an Ipsy review, really, an Ipsy review, because I have my Ipsy bag and a Sephora Play, which I'll just show you what these items are. But I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. We're sending you lots of love and happiness. And follow me on Instagram. Bye.